Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to email receipts in Zoho Expense. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to quickly capture and submit expenses by simply forwarding receipts directly from your email, saving you time and keeping everything organized in one place. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/expense. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Expense account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can manage all your expenses and receipts. Now look over to the left sidebar and find the section labeled My View. Under this section, click on My Settings. This will open up your personal account settings where you can customize how Zoho Expense works for you. From the settings options that appear, select Preferences. This is where you'll find the specific tools needed to set up receipt forwarding. Once you're in the Preferences section, scroll down until you locate the receipt forwarding email address section. This is a crucial part of the setup because Zoho assigns you a unique email address specifically for forwarding receipts. You'll see your personal receipt forwarding email address displayed here, and it will look something like xxx@expense.zoho.com. Go ahead and copy this email address. You'll need it in just a moment to send your receipts directly into your Zoho Expense account. With your unique forwarding address copied, open your preferred email provider. This could be Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service you use regularly. Click on Compose to start drafting a new email. In the To field, paste the receipt forwarding email address you just copied from Zoho Expense. This ensures that your receipt will be delivered directly to your expense tracking system. Next, attach your receipt to the email. You can attach either an image or a PDF file, but keep in mind that each attachment must be no larger than 15 MB. Click the attachment icon in your email and select the receipt file from your device. If you'd like to add some context, you can include optional details in the subject line or email body. For example, you might type something like expense from followed by the date, or you could mention the expense category to make it easier to organize later. Finally, once your receipt is attached and any optional details are added, click Send. Your receipt will be forwarded directly to Zoho Expense, where it will be automatically processed and added to your expense records. This streamlined process eliminates the need to manually upload receipts through the app, making expense tracking faster and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.